Hi, my name is Nona Glazer, and I am a former member of the Ukrainian National Rhythmic Gymnastics team. I am also founder of Body About Nona and a Pilates instructor in Los Angeles. Today, I am going to demonstrate 5 basic Pilates moves that you guys can do anytime, anywhere. Let's get going. Roll on your back. Reach your hands over your head, pull your stomach in. Bring your hands up to the ceiling, bring chin to the chest, roll up and reach for your toes. And roll back, vertebra at a time as you're pulling your stomach into your back. Reach back with your hands. Bring your hands up to the ceiling, bring to the chest, and roll up and stretch. And roll back. And bring hands over your head. Bring your hands up to the ceiling, chin to the chest, and roll up, reach for your toes. And roll back. And relax on the mat. Bring your right foot up to the ceiling and make a small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse circle for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch legs. Bring your left foot up to the ceiling, pull your stomach in and make a small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and have a seat. Lift your feet off the mat. Bring your head between your knees. Pull your stomach in, and you're gonna roll back and take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and roll back on your back. And we're gonna do single leg stretch. Extend one foot out, bring other knee to the chest and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and have a seat. Bring your hands forward, flex your feet, chin to the chest and roll down. And roll up vertebra at a time. 1. Again, bring chin to the chest and roll back. And roll up at the time. 2. And again, bring chin to the chest and roll up forward, reach forward with your fingertips. Pull your stomach in and roll up. 3. Chin to the chest and roll forward and stretch. 4. And we're gonna do one more time. Chin to the chest, pull the stomach in, stretch. And roll up. 5. And voila.